Royal Play Equipment introducing 45 landscape artificial grass. Whether it's for residential lawns, commercial landscaping, or public parks, our premium grass is your perfect solution. Homeowners seeking a hassle-free lawn, property developers enhancing curb appeal, and resorts and hotels creating inviting outdoor spaces. Our artificial grass offers unparalleled durability, ensuring it stays lush and vibrant for years to come. Enjoy the look and feel of real grass without the hassle. Our artificial grass boasts a realistic appearance and requires minimal maintenance. Let's dive into the specifics. A luxurious 45mm pile height, a dense 17,900 density, with a Detex of 6,700, and an all-green color for a natural look. Backed by a sturdy 4-layer black backing for added strength and durability. Transform your outdoor space with Royal Play Equipment's 45mm landscape artificial grass. Contact us today to bring beauty and durability to your landscape.